My name's Andy, Dime One. I'm working for the Inspire Days at Venue Cymru over in Porth Aries today, and we're just doing a bit of graffiti painting. We'll get you to do this bit here. You ready to fire this? And I'll help you move your hand, okay? 3, 2, 1, go. With this, you've got to keep it moving, yeah? So as you're doing it, you want to be like that. And once it's got a coat of paint on it, it's coloured, okay? Awesome. Fantastic. How's that, miss?
It's going to draw some paint on some rocks using this iron ore mud silt, which is collected from Cumbria. It's very rich in iron, and it's from the last iron ore mine in Europe. And it's what they use this mud for, this iron ore, this silt, is for the cosmetic industry. They use it for hair dyes. It's a very precious material, as you can see. It's very beautiful, nice chocolate colour, and it makes lovely patterns. It's great for art, and it's free.
So try that if you like. It's a piece of paper here. So you basically put the wording of subjects at the start. Now we need a line there. And if the line would be caught, then what can I do? Take this stuff out of stuff. The stuff you don't need anymore. The stuff under the bed and the stuff on the floor.